There are many direct selling companies around. And Mr. Shebi had introduced me as the chairman of Direct Selling Association in UAE. There are around 22 companies which are a part of Direct Selling Association in UAE. And out of all these companies, and you take all the companies in the world, direct selling companies, we are the #1 in terms of production capacity. 15 factories, ladies and gentlemen, 15 full-fledged factories DXN is having now, all over the world. And the second in the list company is having only 6 factories. You see the difference. This company is growing in a very extraordinary speed. The one and only direct selling company which has started a factory in the soil of Middle East is, ladies and gentlemen, is DXN. We have our factory in Dubai, Dubai Industrial City. If you go there, you can see this huge factory of 55,000 square feet. And all the products are going to be produced here. So DXN is no more a Malaysian company. You can call DXN as a UAE company. You can call DXN as a Middle East company. We have listed in Kuala Lumpur Stock Exchange